I'll tell you, basically my husband was the one who had the symptoms and I just had those. I didn't have any symptoms except for like 99.6, which my doctor later told me was not really a symptom. So I continued to be very stressed out and very worried because I thought that, we've been using the same room, the same bathroom, the same kind of stuff, we're using everything. And then I was like, I most certainly have it because I'm in such close proximity to my husband that I most certainly have it. And my biggest fear was like my daughter and my mother who's had a stroke, they shouldn't have it. So my whole problem was that I was getting this fever of 99.3, not knowing whether I have COVID or I don't have COVID, not knowing whether my daughter has it or doesn't have it. So basically it was a lot of stress and a lot of emotional trauma that I had because of my husband having it. So obviously, since I didn't know whether I had it or not, I reached out to Roshni because I'd heard about her and I'd also contacted her long ago for my mom, but then lots of things happened and we didn't really connect. And she immediately calmed me down and said that she's sending me these oils and that I should start using them. And you will not get it. You use this and you won't get it. And I just hung on to those words and she said, your daughter won't get it either. And your husband will recover really fast. So I said, okay. And I started using them immediately. Like Saturday, my husband had fever. I also had fever. And even before our negative result or his positive result came out, we'd already started using it by Sunday and we got it. And all three of us, my husband, my daughter and I, every 2 hours for the first 6 days, judiciously, like without even once, because Roshni had told me, don't stop. Don't say 3 days are over and now my oils are over, and don't stop. Continue doing it. And then she made me do it even more till the 9th day. So yeah, and my daughter's only 6.5, but then both of us would sit down and every 2 hours we do this oil ritual at a distance. And yeah, so basically my symptoms are more emotional and on an emotional and level than any psychological level, I guess. You get so psyched out when somebody in your family gets this that you feel you definitely have it. No, because I was negative. I tested negative. But then you also feel that, oh God, how it must be a false negative. You don't want to believe anything at that point. You're so psyched out, like you said, because of the media, because of, people all around you saying things that you feel, okay, result also is negative. You feel, no, I still have it. I must be having it. The result must be wrong. So yeah, my fever never went over 99.6, but it was 99, 89.9. But then my doctor said it's perfectly fine because nowadays the normal fever earlier it used to be 86, 80 whatever, 89.6 or something, and now it's 99, 99.5 is normal. He said if your temperature didn't go to 100, you really probably didn't even have, because the results were taking too long. So our results came out 3 or 4 days after our tests. So the doctor didn't want to take a chance since I have a kid and everything. So he said, just take it. So, and I believe him, I trust him. So I did take it, and I don't regret taking it. And plus I'm very, very thankful for Roshni because she just made me feel so secure. And she said, just continue using these oils. And it was not easy. You have so much to do, but you still have to take out those every 2 hours to do it. But because like every time you use the oil, you feel so calm. You feel so secure. You feel like it's a sense of well-being. It gives you a very secure sense of well-being, emotional well-being, psychological well-being. So every time I use those oils, I really felt so safe. I felt like it was very holistic, so I just felt I'm safe with this. And the smell is so nice that you feel like, your body just calms down, your mind calms down, your muscles relax, and you feel good. You feel like you're doing something good for yourself. So I think the oils help me on a emotional, psychological level, because I think physically, I think there was nothing wrong with me, but I didn't know it then. So yeah, I think another thing I want to say is that, you know, I don't know whether I had it or I didn't have it. I guess only my antibody test will now reveal the truth. I mean, I feel I don't know, and frankly, I don't care anymore because it's touchwood past, and it's you know, best to be forgotten. But when I was recommending this to 2 or 3 of my friends who had come down with COVID at the same time that my husband had come down with COVID, and I was like really telling them, please use this oil. And of course, there was a lot of resistance and there was a lot of doubt and skepticism. You know how people are. They want to believe allopathy, but they don't want to believe something which doesn't have side effects. They don't want to believe it. So I just told them one thing. I said, you know, right now, I don't know whether I have COVID or not. And I probably will not know. But the fact that I'm not crumbling under pressure, I'm cooking for my husband, my mom, my daughter, looking after the house, cooking for my maid because she started showing symptoms. So I said, I'm being able to do all this all alone, supplying food to 3 different sets of floors. Husband on the second floor isolated, my daughter and I isolated over here, my maid isolated on the ground floor in her quarter, my mother shifting to GK2 because she had to be isolated from us so that she doesn't get it. So looking after the needs of these 4 or 5 individuals all alone and not crumbling under, and still being able to deliver all meals to them, get them their consultations, make sure that the maid and even my driver, even he was positive. So making sure that my maid, my driver, my husband, they all had their video conferences with with our doctor, making sure their medicines were delivered. Somebody didn't have a, what do you call it, SPO meter. Somebody didn't have some medicine. My mom didn't have water in her house. It was like, I was going crazy. My daughter was with me. She's 6.5. I had to be separated from her, yet be there for her, you know. So I said the reason why I'm being able to do this today is because of this oil. And I told this, quote unquote, I told this to my friend. I said, I don't know about whether I have COVID or whether I will have it or I don't have it. But right now, for the last 10 days, this oil is helping me on a day-to-day basis to fight, you know, and to like deliver to people and to look after people. And I think that's one thing that I got from this oil, you know, that I could actually continue to feel well. Though emotionally I might have been very, very broke, I could actually get the energy to continue to fight on a daily basis and provide for the people who needed, you know, who needed that, my family who needed that from me. So I told her, believe anything else or not, but believe this because this is true.